at a demo job. You may or may not hear some work in the background, so I apologize for that in advance. But what happened at this particular house is a fire started in the basement. Luckily, there was a really great fire department in this particular city that was able to put the fire out downstairs before it spread to the rest of the house. So when we first came in, on first glance, it looked like all we had to do was replace some carpet and do some paint and everything was going to be fine. But luckily, Acquire Restoration is very thorough on their inspections. Our guys are really good. So they cut their first hole, it's called an inspection hole, which makes sense, right here. So you can see that the insulation here isn't too damaged, it's not too terrible. But what they wanted to make sure they did was be extra thorough. So they cut a second hole over here, and luckily they did that because they were able to find this discoloration here. You can see there's pink and then the black. The black is smoke damage. Okay, and what's going to happen there if we don't replace all this insulation in the summertime when everything heats up again? It doesn't matter how much paint we put on or how good the new carpet smells. That smell's going to creep back out again, and they're going to have to deal with this situation over again with this fire smell. So luckily we found that, and we're going to be able to replace all this insulation and eliminate that smell for them. So if you are a homeowner or if you're an insurance agent speaking with a restoration company, make sure that you ask them to be extra thorough and cut more than one inspection hole.